art is therapeutic, art is reflective, and art is a way to make connections to our emotions and our thoughts. And so I challenge you that if you are an artist, or even if you're not, to make that time in your life to create art. And I hope by watching Worship Wednesdays with me that you feel inspired to create your own art, but also to grow closer to the Lord. So I hope you enjoy this new video, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Have a blessed day, everyone, and can't wait to hear from you.